When precise serial cuts need to be performed reliably, reproducibly and economically, one thing matters above all: a machine that has the process fully under control. That is exactly what the Metallkraft HMBS 340 CNC caliber stands for. Equipped with a Mitsubishi FX5 controller and fully automatic material feed, it is the ideal solution for economical sawing in continuous operation. The bandsaw is guided by two massive columns and is designed for cutting solid bar stock and bar profiles. With a cutting range of up to 340 mm for round material and up to 350 by 340 mm for profiles, it offers high flexibility for daily use. In semi-automatic mode, the direct cut is performed with manual or GTO positioning. In automatic mode, the machine operates under program control with up to 100 storable cutting programs. Material feed is hydraulic with electromagnetic positioning sensors and optical material detection. The cutting feed is also hydraulically controlled for highly consistent cutting quality and easily reproducible results. The maximum material feed is up to 9,999 millimeters. Carbide guides with vibration-damped elements ensure smooth operation. The hydraulic saw blade tension is automatically monitored for maximum process reliability. The band speed is continuously adjustable from 20 to 100 meters per minute. Coolant supply is provided via a LOC line system. A powered chip removal brush and an integrated chip conveyor ensure clean working conditions. A chip container and LED workspace lighting are integrated as standard. With a motor power of 3 kilowatts, the machine is designed for continuous industrial operation. The CNC caliber is the robust foundation for automated cutting. The CNC PP caliber enhances the system with greater precision, increased efficiency, and smart cutting control for maximum performance. The Metallkraft HMBS 340 CNC caliber seamlessly integrates automation, process reliability, and industrial performance in a compact design. It is a powerful solution for precise series cutting in professional metalworking applications.